Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the DeBridge Airdrop. Now DeBridge Airdrop checker is live and most of the people are not happy. There are multiple reasons behind it which we will discuss in this video. And to be honest, all of the recent airdrops have been a disappointment. I don't want to name any airdrop, but before like 6 to 7 months back all the airdrops were decent enough. Like for example, there was Celestia, then there was Gito, then there was Jupiter. These were some of the best airdrops to be honest. Now before we move on to a DeBridge Airdrop, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as TONTASKS. Now, I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also getting access to exclusive airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. So this is the DeBridge app. How this works is it's basically a cross-chain bridge where you would be able to bridge in between different chains. So there is Ethereum, then there is BNB, Polygon, ARB, Solana is also there, Linea, Neon, then Metis, Base, and a lot of them. So how it works is like, for example, if you want to go ahead and bridge some ETH from ARB to Linea, so for every bridge you would be earning points. Now the more the points you earn, more would be the airdrop in the future. And the season 1 of airdrop is already over and the checker is live. So in season 1 I managed to receive around 2600 points and my rank was like 83,000, and in season 2 my rank is close to 33,000 and my points are 306. Now I do use this DeBridge quite often in order to bridge in between different chains, and you can also earn these points by referrals. So if you refer any of your friends, you would be getting some additional points. Now some of my points are referral points over here, and as you can see I have some multiplier which is like 1.1x. Maybe the reason is like I have received like season 1 of airdrop and that's the reason why I've got this multiplier. This was with regards to the point and the bridge. Now if we talk about the leaderboard, as you can see most of the centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges are on the leaderboard. So they have this huge referral points over here. For example, there is Jupiter DAO, there is Solflare, then there is Synapse, and Rubik is also there. So it would be really difficult for you guys to beat them, because in that case you will need to have a lot of money and funds in order to collect huge points. So we won't be able to compete with these people. And if we go to Discord and check the announcement, as you can see the total supply for DeBridge is 10 billion and the initial circulating supply is 1.8 billion. Now they have done an airdrop of only 600 million tokens in total for the community, and they have mentioned that the top 10% of the users will get 50% of their DBR airdrop at the launch, and rest would be vested for 6 months. So next 50% would be unlocked after 6 months for them, and the remaining 90% of the users like us, the small users, would get 100% of the DBR at the launch. Now we are not sure when the launch would be. So if we go and check over here, we don't have the official date as to launch, but what you can do is you can follow them on Discord, and if you have got this airdrop you can go ahead and claim this. Now I think the airdrop claim would be on the Solana wallet, so it can be either Solflare wallet, Backpack wallet, or Magic Eden wallet, or any other Solana wallet that you are using. And you had to connect your EVM as well as Solana wallet on the DeBridge app. And this is the official checker of DeBridge, which is debridge.foundation. So what you can do is you can head to your MetaMask wallet or any other EVM wallet that you are using, and you can go ahead and copy your address and paste it over here. Or alternatively, you can connect your wallet, so you would be able to check your eligibility. Now I have received like around 1040 DBR tokens in total. Now we don't know what would be the FDV of this DeBridge token and at what price it would be launched, because if we go ahead and check, I don't think it's available on pre-market trading. DeBridge pre-market, let me go ahead and check it. So I don't think it's available on pre-market trading. This one is a different pre-market, and that's the reason why we are not able to estimate the approximate price of DBR. The thing is like 600 million tokens airdrop out of 10 billion supply is too less, to be honest, for now. But let's see how it works out for them. And there are other rounds of airdrop as well. So there is season 2, Now we don't know how many seasons would be there, but hopefully in the future they do more allocation for the actual users on the DeBridge. So this is all for this video with regards to DeBridge Airdrop and Airdrop checker. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.